Sam? Where did it go? It's out there. Ready, Sam? I don't think I could swim this far.
Oh, she's going for the other one. The one we threw before. Oh, get it. Alright, get close. She says she has to perform for the cameras.
Come on, Sam. I know.
You got some...
Good girl, Sammy.